Hi, welcome to Fusion Beads. Today I'm going to show you how to make our gold dust earrings. These earrings are a great mixed metal design that have a touch of sparkle using Swarovski crystal stones and are great for any occasion. To make these earrings, you're going to need 2 of these 10mm light Colorado Topaz Swarovski crystal Rivoli sew-on stones, 2 of these 20mm antique gold Pewter small circle stamping pendants, 2 of these 13mm Pewter Hammertone circle rings, and then 4 of these 6mm antique brass plated base metal 20 gauge open jump rings, 2 of these 9mm natural brass 16.5 gauge open jump rings, and then a pair of these base metal flat French ear wires, and these are 17mm in antique brass. And then you're also going to need 2 pairs of chain nose pliers. You can find all of these product links in the description below. Okay, let's get started. Alright, so to start, we want to take one of these 6mm jump rings, and we're just going to open that up using chain nose pliers. Just going to grab the ends, and you're just going to bring one end towards you and one end away from you. And then you're going to take the 13mm ring and then just attach that to the jump ring. And then you're going to take that 20mm pendant and attach that right behind it. And then you're going to take one of the 10mm sew-on stones and you're just going to attach all 3 of those to the jump ring. And then to close, just use your chain nose and just bring those jump ring ends back together. Okay, so now you want to take your other jump ring. Same thing, bring one end towards you, one away. And now you want to attach this jump ring to the other hole of the sew-on stone, so that top hole. And then you want to attach that to the 9mm jump ring, and just close that up. Okay, so then with this jump ring here, we want to make sure that it's completely closed, since it is an open jump ring. So just make sure the ends are brought together. Okay, so then you can see now all we need to do is add our ear wire. So to do that, just open up that loop on the ear wire using your chain nose pliers. And just attach that 9mm jump ring to that loop. And then use your chain nose pliers to bring that loop right back together. And there you have one earring completed, and you just want to do the same thing here with the product for the second earring. And now you have a really cool earring design you can wear with anything. You can find all of the tools and materials to make these gold dust earrings at fusionbeads.com.